What's up, everybody? We're unboxing the Spotify vinyl. Alright. Oh my gosh. So hype. Oh my god, it has a gatefold. Holy shit. What happened to mine? Alright, there it is. Definitely different than what it looks like in the photos, but I'm not complaining because this looks sick. Holy. Alright, and then there should be a poster in here. Oh my god, no way. This is so sick. Holy. Wow. And then on this side. Wow, all the lyrics. That's so cool. Like, I could put that up on my wall like that. That's sick. Wow. Wow, wow, that's amazing. I love that. That's so cool. Alright, well, we'll put everything away. My signed Dark Knight album comes later today as well, so I'll be unboxing that one.